In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates in Airtable. Let's dive in and explore how templates can streamline your workflow and make managing your tasks a breeze. First things first, you'll want to open the Airtable template gallery. This is your starting point, where you can browse a wide variety of templates, specifically designed for different industries, team types, use cases, and workflow categories. By exploring this gallery, you'll get a sense of the possibilities available to you. Once you're in the gallery, the next step is to search for a template. Think about keywords that directly relate to your workflow. Some common examples might include CRM for customer relationship management, marketing projects, content calendars, sales pipelines, inventory management, recruiting efforts, or even agency management tasks. Consider what fits into your daily operations and use it to guide your search. After you've zeroed in on a few potential templates, the next thing you'll want to do is preview them. By clicking on any template, you can view demo screenshots, included tables, views, features, as well as a workflow explanation. This step is crucial as it allows you to determine whether a template truly matches your needs before committing to it. If you find a template that feels right, it's time to use it. Click on Use Template, and you'll be prompted to select your workspace. Airtable then creates a copy of the base, which becomes fully editable so you can make personalized adjustments that fit your unique workflow. Now comes the creative part, customizing the template. After you've copied it, modify it to better align with your daily tasks. You might rename fields, change drop-down options, add or remove automations, delete unused columns, include some branding elements, or create new views. For example, if you're using a CRM template, you may find leads, opportunities, and contacts already laid out. You can build on this by incorporating lead sources, revenue tracking, or client onboarding stages as needed. Remember, most templates come with sample records, so be sure to replace any demo data with your real information. Look for example contacts, fake projects, demo tasks, and placeholder dates. Delete these and replace them with your own data to get the template working for you. Moving on, you'll want to connect automations, which many templates include right out of the box. Check out what's already set up, like email notifications, status updates, task creation, or Slack alerts, and adjust these triggers and actions according to your workflow needs. Speaking of views, templates usually come with a handful like grid, calendar, or Kanban views. But don't stop there. Feel free to create additional views that enhance your workflow, be it team-specific views, filtered lead views, or deadline calendars. Now that you've got a sense of what templates can do, know that they are especially useful for beginners. They offer a faster setup and are friendlier for those new to Airtable. Start with simpler options and avoid complex systems initially. And here's a helpful tip. You can turn your own meticulously crafted base into a reusable template. Open your base, click Share, and then select Create Shareable Template. This is particularly useful for agencies or teams managing client systems or selling templates. Remember, keep it simple. Test it with sample data, customize, and gradually scale it to fit your business. And there you have it, a step-by-step walkthrough on using templates in Airtable. Happy organizing!